10-step how to invest $70,000 in a gold IRA with best gold IRA companies for retirement. Investing $70,000 in a gold IRA is a powerful strategy to safeguard your retirement. With the uncertainty of financial markets, a gold IRA offers a stable and tangible asset that can protect your wealth. Here's a simplified guide to help you invest with confidence. 1. Understand gold IRAs. A gold IRA lets you invest in physical gold and other precious metals, acting as a hedge against inflation and market instability. 2. Define your goals. Know your financial objectives, whether it's wealth preservation, inflation protection, or portfolio diversification. 3. Research companies. Choose a reputable gold IRA provider with transparent fees and excellent customer service. Look for companies with high BBB ratings. 4. Compare fees. Evaluate the fees charged by different companies, including setup, storage, and maintenance costs. 5. Select custodian and storage. Pick a reliable custodian and decide between segregated or commingled storage for your assets. 6. Execute a rollover. Transfer funds from existing retirement accounts to your gold IRA without tax penalties. 7. Choose metals. Diversify by investing in gold, silver, platinum, or palladium, aligning with your financial goals. 8. Finalize purchase. Work with your custodian to buy IRS-approved bullion or coins, ensuring secure storage. 9. Monitor investment. Regularly review your gold IRA's performance and stay informed about market trends. 10. Plan distributions. Develop a strategy for taking distributions, understanding the tax implications. Following these steps ensures a well-protected and potentially growing retirement portfolio. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.